everyone. First time in English, I raised my best. I prepare a PowerPoint presentation for FSN master data integration. The administration shell is a bridge for seamless data in their ERP system. My name is Pierre. I work as project manager at D&TS. A couple words to D&TS. We founded in 1999. And we innovate IT solution and service for master data management and classifications. Our mission is we make companies fit for the digital transformation. In over 25 years of experience, we classified already 17 million parts, but the parts only in integration in an ERP system, not parts from the component manufacturer, only for the material creation process. And that's in over 270 projects in this area. A look in the past, we see here a diagram. We took 75 years to get 15 million users for the telephone. And for the internet, we took 7 years. ChatGPT needs only 2 months and Pokemon Go 14 days. And that shows that the technical change very fast. And for effective working with a new technical, we need a good database. And this is in the age of the AI very important. The AI brings us very good potential. AI reports or predictive maintenance and so on. But what is the problem to bring good data into the ERP system? In a lot of companies, we have manual work. We have an email workflow for material creation. We have copy and paste. We use an old material, change anything, and create a new material, but forget to change very important things. And we create a lot of different duplicates. And this all is our focus to optimize with the AAS. But how looks the process? On the left side, we see a lot of component manufacturers. They provide us asset administration shells. And our software solution helps to enrich the given material information to find the right asset administration shell and create the material in an ERP system. After we create the material in an ERP system, we get the material number back, save them into the AAS, and change or export them in another further system, DMS system, PDM, PIM, and so on. So the process looks like there. We have the class cockpit ticket. The class cockpit ticket is our software solution to request a part. Every maintenance or construction can the software use to make the request for the part. Our second software solution is connected with the AAS server to find the right AAS with given information. And then we have the workflow to create the material with different submodels in the final system. The process at the moment, and very important, is we look for the procurement process of spare parts in the production company or for the construction in a machine builder company. Is on the left side we have the maintenance colleague. He write a ticket with the information he has, maybe a clamp and manufacturer article number, and that's it. He sends submit and go. But the information are not enough to find in the future the part or to order the part in the future again. And this is why D&TS made here in this case a duplicate check to find if that's already used in their ERP system, or we enrich the data and classification the data for the final import. In the new moments, after the slide comes the new process, here we see the front end from the ticket system. We have 3 different categories. On the one side, we have the standard parts, catalog parts, and drawing parts. Our focus today is the catalog part. The requester needs to give us a description and can put manufacturer article number or supplier article number. In the new process, the manufacturer gives us also the information, but in the background we search with the information Here 100 line 280 directly in the background in the AAS server. In this example, we find the asset administration shell by Vago. You see here the small window, the address from the AAS, from Vago, the article number, the manufacturer, and the product designation. Now the requester has a decision, yeah, that is the part that I need. I say yes, and we fill automatically all relevant information. But in this case, we have a lot of different advantages. We can store directly the certificates from the AAS. We can storage the images and show they directly in the ticket system. We can start the processing for the classification and technical data. We can start the workflow for dangerous good information. And is the supplier or the manufacturer new, we can start also directly the workflow to create the supplier or the manufacturer. A very big effort is also the duplicate detecting. In the first step, we have only the possibility to find the duplicates with the manufacturer article number. But now we have a comparison from the features from the part or use all information, product type, short description, long description, article number, and so on. And this makes safe that we only have the material as golden record in the system. Yeah, here in the end, we create, in this example in SAP, the material. We have all relevant information, material short text. We have the classification on the right side, and we can create automatically the E-class hierarchy in the SAP and connect it or attach all certificates, documents in the background. And that helps us to bring a new material with high data quality into the ERP system. Yeah, our services for process for this is the consulting, the data cleansing, the classifications, the legal guidelines and the compliance and the workflow to investigate the actual process and bring a strategy for the future process. Yeah. Thank you very much. I think we can talk together on my booth here on the left side. And thank you for your attention.